The Pocket camera war is heating up, and this time, it's not just an upgrade, it's a full-on battle for the future of content creation. The all-new Insta360 Luna is already making serious noise, even before its official release. Early hands-on photos and prototype leaks have surfaced, and they reveal a camera that could shake up the entire market. Insta360 has built a reputation for pushing creative boundaries, and the Luna looks like its boldest move yet. Many are already comparing it to the iconic DJI Osmo Pocket series, but this time, the competition feels very different. So what makes the Luna so exciting? First, the design. The camera features a sleek, modern body with a rotatable touchscreen, making it perfect for vloggers and solo creators. But the real standout is the modular gimbal head. The top section appears to twist or detach, hinting at a completely new way to shoot, and possibly upgrade your camera over time. Then there's the performance. Leaks suggest a 1-inch sensor, a bright f1.8 aperture, and support for 10-bit video with up to 14 stops of dynamic range. That's serious imaging power for something that fits in your pocket. On the video side, things get even better. The Luna is expected to support 4K at 120 frames per second, along with multiple resolution options, and possibly even 8K recording down the line. If true, that puts it firmly in professional territory. But here's where Insta360 takes things further. The Luna is rumored to feature a dual lens system, combining a wide-angle lens with a telephoto lens. That means true optical zoom, better subject separation, and way more creative flexibility. It's a huge shift from the traditional single-lens design we've seen in pocket cameras for years. And that's not just a coincidence, because DJI is preparing its own response. The upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro is expected to evolve the formula with a dual-camera setup of its own. A primary 1-inch sensor paired with a telephoto lens could finally bring optical zoom to DJI's lineup, something creators have been asking for. But while DJI focuses on refinement, stability, and ecosystem, Insta360 is clearly aiming for disruption. This isn't just about specs, it's about philosophy. DJI is doubling down on reliability, industry-leading stabilization, and incremental upgrades. Meanwhile, Insta360 is experimenting with modular design, AI-driven features, and a more flexible shooting experience. And that brings us to the bigger picture. We are witnessing a shift in the entire category. Pocket cameras are no longer just compact tools, they are becoming powerful, multi-lens creative systems. Just like smartphones evolved from single cameras to multi-lens setups, this is the next step. Dual cameras mean better zoom without losing quality, more creative control, and stronger performance in every scenario. So the real question is, do you go with the proven reliability of DJI? Or take a leap into the future with Insta360's bold new vision? Either way, one thing is clear, pocket cameras are evolving fast, and 2026 might be the year they finally replace bigger setups for a lot of creators.